Apple releases Xcode 26.3 with support for agentic coding. Xcode 26.3 can now leverage tools such as Anthropic's Claude Agent and OpenAI's Codex to speed up all aspects of app development. Here are the details. As promised, Apple is rolling out Xcode 26.3 today with support for agentic coding. In practice, this means developers can now plug AI tools such as OpenAI's Codex or Anthropic's Claude Agent directly into Xcode to help with tasks ranging from writing boilerplate code to updating the entire project based on its own documentation file structure and more. Here's Apple on how this integration will help developers. Agents like Claude Agent and Codex can now collaborate throughout the entire development lifecycle, giving developers the power to streamline workflows, iterate faster, and bring ideas to life like never before. Agents can search documentation, explore file structures, update project settings, and verify their work visually by capturing Xcode previews and iterating through builds and fixes. Xcode 26.3 also exposes its agent interface via Anthropic's Model Context Protocol (MCP), allowing other compatible agents and tools beyond OpenAI and Anthropic to integrate directly with Xcode. Of course, none of these tools replaces the need for understanding one's own code, particularly when developing apps intended for public release. That said, since the first RC release, the reception to Xcode's integration with coding agents has been overwhelmingly positive. Developer Steve Troughton-Smith, for instance, published very interesting threads on Mastodon relaying his experience across multiple projects, from building a new app with very little manual input to rewriting an entire app from Objective-C to Swift. On YouTube, there are also multiple videos of developers showcasing what the new integration can do, including Apple's own demo hosted by Ken Orr, leader of the Xcode team at Apple. Finally, during a recent code-along session on YouTube, Jerome Bouvard, a senior product manager for developer tools at Apple, talked for a few minutes about the new feature. Watch it below. In the end, today's update lowers the barrier for newcomers, which is always great news, while also giving experienced developers a way to move faster by offloading the most repetitive or time-consuming parts of their workflow. If you've been meaning to look into iOS development, now might be the time. To learn more about Xcode 26.3, follow this link.